Starbucks rolls out its new instant coffee Via today. It'll be available in thousands of locations, including some rather unique ones like Office Depot, on airlines, and in camping stores. But will this be an instant success to Starbucks' bottom line? Joining us to discuss, Bloomberg's Vera Gibbons. Vera, welcome. Why now for instant coffee?
Interesting, right? I know. You'd think there wouldn't be a market for it with the portability issue here. But here's the thing. Starbucks has been losing customers. People are going to Dunkin' Donuts. They're going to McDonald's, finding the cheaper alternatives. So this is just one of their many attempts to win customers, get new traffic, grow their customer base, specifically by being in places like Costco, like Target, like the camping stores. Again, that portability factor. Ultimately about moving away from the reputation as being the purveyor of $5 coffee drinks, because in this environment, not necessarily working.
So are people already showing interest in buying instant coffee? Would you?
I'm a serious coffee drinker, so probably not. But time will tell. They certainly have big hopes for this. The market is huge. It's a $21 billion market worldwide, the instant market. Europe accounts for a huge portion of that, 80% of coffee sales in the UK. Starbucks, of course, wants to get in on the action, wants a piece of that. Instant here in the U.S. is seen as inferior, Lori, and that's one of the reasons I don't like it necessarily, but Starbucks is looking to change that. They've been working on this for 20 years. They say it tastes just as good as the regular stuff. It has done well in the test markets, but here's a beef. It's expensive. I mean, it's under $1 a cup, but there are cheaper alternatives, and of course you have the competitors nipping at the heels here. Nestle, which is one to watch. They've been ramping up their marketing efforts of this single-serve Nescafe Taster's Choice. Again, it's cheaper, so they're sort of attacking Starbucks in their commercials.
And the other challenge, though, has to be perception. Off the bat, you mentioned the $5 lattes or the fancy drinks, the higher-priced drinks. So is it going to cheapen the Starbucks brand?
I almost think that Starbucks doesn't necessarily even have to worry about it, or they can't really even think about that, because that's what customers want. They're all value-oriented now, so Starbucks really has no option here. The bottom line is that the recession, of course, has been very tough to the company's bottom line. The company's in the process of closing 800 stores. They're trying to regain the financial footing. And the intro of the Via, the instant coffee, comes at a tough time for the company. They've seen its revenue slide for 3 consecutive quarters, and profits have fallen in 5 out of the past 6 quarters, Mark.
Bloomberg's Vera Gibbons joining us. Vera, thank you very much.